Hey everybody, let me introduce you to this old 1988 pickup truck. Once a $500 farm find running on 3 cylinders, and now faithfully returning me from a road trip into the Canadian Rocky Mountains. Which is a video I highly recommend checking out if that interests you. As you can see, this little 4-cylinder Nissan came back filthy, so today it's getting the full spa treatment. I'm not sure if it's ever been submerged in a thick blanket of foamy soap, but that all changes today. First, I'll do a quick spray over to rinse all that loose dirt and filth from the body, topper, wheels, and tires. This will make the next steps more effective. Dirt streaks and mud splatter hint to the recent trek through mountain forest to a hidden waterfall through rain and hailstorm, like nature's signature on the truck's paint. I always make an important effort to get deep in the nooks and crannies of the wheel wells and any other area, including the undercarriage. You'd be surprised how much mud can build up in hidden areas until you just flush it out. There's something therapeutic about caring for and cleaning up an old, dirty vehicle. It's like you're bringing another day of life on the road it can be proud of, showing that after 40 years of hard work and hundreds of thousands of miles, somebody is still caring for it as when new. The satisfying application of foamy soap begins. I enjoy these first few initial coats as the truck disappears under thick suds. Now I let it sit and soak while the rest of the grime and mountain dirt gets lifted from the paint. A super satisfying process when it works right. I just bought these wheels new, so when clean they're really going to help the truck shine. Eventually, for the rest of the truck, I want to remove any surface rust bit by bit and probably do a DIY paint job. It can't turn out in much worse condition than the paint is in now. And if the hints of surface rust are stopped, that's most important to me. Now that this truck's been rinsed, foam gunned, and sprayed down again, it's looking clean as ever, and it's ready for a good dry. You don't have to pay too much attention to the way you dry it off. Just give it a quick towel down, kind of like you would out the shower. And this old pickup truck will shine another day. Drop a comment down below, what vehicle do you drive and take care of? Also, if you have any DIY paint job knowledge, feel free to let me know that as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to thank you so much for watching. You guys are the best, and I'm looking forward to hear about your guys' vehicles, whether it's your daily driver, your weekend off-roader, or your Sunday cruiser, and what kind of spa day you give it, whether it's a simple wash like this one, or maybe a wash, wax, and polish. Safe and happy driving, everybody. Until next time.